at Atari border. The air is electrifying each time. But there is celebration in the air with the performance, with the music of what we hear. But as you pointed out, of course, this is going to be entirely this year without any spectators. These are very strict COVID restrictions that each of us should understand, restrict ourselves and follow as well. Pradeep, thank you for getting us those inputs. We're going across to our team of reporters across other major cities. Now to the national capital, we have with us our correspondent Ayushman. This is from outside the Red Fort. Ayushman, we of course have been playing out reports on how preparations are very different, on who's been invited, seats that have been laid out strictly with social distancing norms, security this time around more in terms of ensuring that the COVID-19 restrictions are kept in mind. There will be no gatherings allowed, there will be no public participation, there will be no children's gallery this time. All of that has to be, unfortunately, done away with this year.
Unfortunately, yes, Seher. Right now we are standing outside the Red Fort, where behind me you can see the illuminated Red Fort out here. Currently, it has been said that no gathering is allowed in and nearby the areas of Red Fort. Police patrolling is still taking place here, Seher. You can clearly see the ramparts of Red Fort, where the preparations are still on. Tomorrow, the Prime Minister is going to deliver the address to the country on the eve of 74th Independence Day. And rightly pointed out, Seher, the participation will be very low. The invitees have been less in number. And even now, when we are standing out here, the preparation final touch is being given, where the social distancing can be ensured on ground. The chairs which are being placed, they should be at a distance of 6 feet. That is being done by the authorities. And only 400 NCC cadets will be there. There will be no children. Unfortunately, this is happening for the first time, Seher, that children are not part of the celebration of Independence Day. But as you can see behind me, the Red Fort is completely illuminated and is ready to host the Prime Minister, who will hoist the flag here on 74th Independence Day of India.
Ayushman, thank you for getting us those images. Of course, many more people this year are going to be sitting and watching from home this time, since won't be allowed to be watching it live on ground from outside the Red Fort. Clearly, this is a year that is going to be remembered for many decades to come. This is an unprecedented situation that the country is facing in the midst of the pandemic. Thank you so much. We're going to be slipping into a very tiny breather. Stay on with us. We'll get you images from other big cities here on how different the 74th Independence Day for India is going to be.